Hey, I'm going for a ride on a brand new scooter. Not without your helmet, you ain't. Yeah, I am. All the cool kids go without their helmets these days. No, they don't. My daughter doesn't. Yes, she does. Now look. Who's taller, me or you? I am. I thought so. Yeah, but I could hit you right now. Because you're my daughter. No, you can't. Don't, because boys don't hit girls. If they want to, they can. Look. Jeez, you're so mean to me. Gosh. Ha. Since I snapped you back. Now what you gonna do? You can't do anything. I'm gonna go get my helmet. Do 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 do. Bye.